The stomach is the widest, hollow, muscular, expendable, and important organ of the digestive system. Your stomach acid is so potent it can dissolve many types of metal. In laboratory settings, it has been shown to dissolve razor blades and even small pieces of iron. To prevent the stomach from digesting its own tissues, it creates a thick layer of mucus. This lining is so overworked that your body completely replaces it every 3 to 4 days. When empty, your stomach is about the size of a large fist. However, it's highly elastic and can expand to hold about 1 liter of food and liquid, sometimes more during a heavy holiday meal. Wrapped in a mesh of 100 million neurons, the stomach operates its own independent computer. It senses food and generates electrical pulses originating locally in the gut to coordinate the squeezing of muscles, functioning flawlessly even without instructions from the brain. Because of its independent nervous system, the stomach can continue to digest food even if the connection to the main brain is severed. While we associate the stomach with digestion, the process actually begins in the mouth with saliva enzymes. The stomach is primarily for breaking things down into a paste called chyme. The high acidity of the stomach isn't just for digestion, it's a primary defense mechanism. Most bacteria and viruses swallowed with food are killed instantly by the acid bath. Burping releases the air molecules which we have consumed along with food from the digestive tract through the mouth. Surprisingly, the stomach absorbs very little of what you eat. Its job is mechanical and chemical breakdown. Most nutrients are actually absorbed in the small intestine. While it ignores most nutrients, the stomach does absorb alcohol and aspirin directly into the bloodstream. This is why they take effect so quickly. The stomach has a pacemaker located in its upper wall. It generates electrical impulses, about 3 per minute, that tell the stomach muscles when to contract. On the pH scale, stomach acid usually sits between 1.5 and 3.5. That is roughly the same acidity as industrial-strength battery acid. Competitive eaters aren't born with giant stomachs. They train their stomachs to relax and stretch beyond normal limits, though this can interfere with the stomach's ability to signal fullness later in life. There is no direct correlation between a person's external weight and the size of their stomach. Whether a person is thin or obese, the physical dimensions of the stomach remain remarkably similar across most adults. Your body is incredibly productive, churning out roughly 17 cups of gastric juices every single day. This constant production ensures there is always enough chemical power to handle whatever you eat. The stomach treats different textures differently. While solid food needs 3 to 5 hours of churning to break down, liquids can bypass the line and exit an empty stomach in as little as 15 minutes. In cases of severe illness, a procedure called a total gastrectomy can remove the entire organ. By attaching the esophagus directly to the small intestine and eating smaller, more frequent meals, a person can live a full life without a stomach. Beyond just breaking down food, the stomach acts as an endocrine organ. It synthesizes vital hormones that regulate your appetite, trigger the release of enzymes, and signal the gallbladder to contract and release bile. That's a lot to digest, right? If you're hungry for more weird facts, hit that subscribe button and join the Gut Pack. Don't leave me growling. Feed that like button.